guys, it's Melissa, one of the co-founders at ProjectNursery.com. Now you may know us as the ultimate design resource for kids' rooms and spaces, but we also have an incredible shop and we feature so many cute curated items for your baby, their nursery, and your toddlers and beyond. But I'm here today wanting to talk about DIY because we know you can buy it and we hope you do, but we also know the joy of DIY and making something and engaging with your child. And Valentine's Day is a great place to start. Now, I have a secret here and it's called the Cricut Maker. This is the tool, what I use to get things done that look professional. So I'm going to show you one of my favorite projects was creating this DIY onesie. I was able to cut out the Cupid's Cutest Valentine iron-on, and then I used something called the Easy Press 2. Now, this machine comes in 3 sizes. I was able to use the smaller size, perfect for my onesie. Press that on, and there you have it. This was easy, affordable. Not only can I use it for Valentine's Day, but I can make onesies for baby showers and gifts for my friends. You know, it's so affordable at $2 a piece, why not? And I continued with my love of the Easy Press because I made pajamas for my tween, and then my daughter Emmy, who's 4, I decorated a backpack for her. I cut out the hearts. We also pressed that on. I know she's gonna love it on Valentine's Day. Now Chase, my middle one, he's 9, so this was a great way to engage him in some crafting as we talked about what he wanted to give his classmates for Valentine's Day exchange. Now, unfortunately, his school, or unfortunately for him, I should say, his school banned candy. So I get it, and so we opted for little inexpensive burlap bags. We were able to cut out the hearts together using the Cricut Maker and then using the Easy Press to press them on. And this was really safe and easy with my supervision. The Easy Press, it lights up and it tells you when it's done. The heat is actually transferred evenly, so you get a great results every single time, and it's safe to be around little ones. So he had no problem learning how to use the machine with me. And really, the beauty of the Cricut Maker is that it cuts everything. So anything from paper to vinyl to iron-on leather and even chipboard. I mean, I've made decor for my home, paper banners for all the holidays. It doesn't just have to be Valentine's Day. So here I have for my kids' birthdays, every birthday they get their personalized banner, and they've learned to expect it. But again, it's a lot of fun, and I love having them watch me make so many great items, and I love it when I can do it with them. So for more information, visit Cricut.com and also check out ProjectNursery.com. Thank you so much.